How to fix TikTok search not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok search not working. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to check your internet connection. So here, always make sure that your phone has stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. And with that, you can open TikTok again and check if the search works or not. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to restart the TikTok app. So here, if you're still facing the search issue, then what you can do is you can simply close the TikTok app completely from your recent apps, and after that, you can simply open the TikTok app again. And with that, sometimes a quick restart can fix a temporary glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the TikTok cache. So here, simply long press on the TikTok app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on clear again. And here, once you do that, it will clear all the temporary bugs and glitches from the app. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the TikTok app. So here, if you're still facing the TikTok search issue, then what you can do is you can simply head over to the Play Store, and there you can simply search for the TikTok app. And there, if you find any update button, then you can simply tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart your phone. So if the issue still continues, then you can try restarting your many temporary app problems. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to reinstall the TikTok. So here, if nothing works after trying all these steps, then the final step is that you can simply uninstall the TikTok app. And here, once you're done uninstalling the TikTok app, you can simply install it again from the Play Store, and that's it. That's how you can fix TikTok search not working. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.